We're gonna go into the Brow Wiz today because I really love a good pen on the go. It's very easy to use and it's so sleek. You can put it in your purse and just never forget about it. This one is in medium brown and it is $28 Canadian for this one. You know, there's nothing too special about it. You know, the thing is that I like is that compared to a drugstore version, I would say this is more sturdy than a drugstore version. So the packaging definitely is sturdier. When you roll it, it's really nice. It doesn't go back when you are applying it because I've been using drugstore Brow Wiz for a while, and so the packaging compared to a drugstore compared to a Brow Wiz from the drugstore, this packaging is really, I would say, more sturdy. So when you apply it, it's not like turning and going back into the packaging. I don't know if it happened to you guys sometimes, but sometimes when I do use the NYX one, it just goes back into the packaging and it's so annoying. And I mean, the packaging is pretty, I would say, standard. It's just plastic with a little bit of like pinkish color. It's nice. It's cute. It's just sleek. So the more little detail before we get into the thingy over there. So it's an ultra slim retractable pencil for precise detailing and creating hair-like strokes. It is also formulated without paraben, sulfates, and phthalates. And this product is an Allure Award winner. So apparently it's a good one. I'm gonna be trying it out. I tried it out for a while, but we gotta see how it holds up to it in the camera. All right, so that's about it for that. I'm gonna come up close and we're gonna be applying it on my hair that my brows already look pretty full, okay? Like, I'm not gonna lie, but this, we're gonna see if it works well. All right, so there's definitely multiple ways of using this. I like to open both sides at the same time, so I'll remove the little cap. And I like to start by brushing my hair up like that. Looks pretty nice already. I'm not gonna be like, okay, girl, it's done. But no. So I like to start with the tail of the brow, especially with a Brow Wiz, because this is like the part where I have the most difficulty. So I place the hair and then I just go in and I do little strokes, because I usually use this when I want a more natural type of look. And it's just to fill in the gap. And I'm really not pressing hard at all, and the product deposits very, very nicely. And that's when you already have hair. You know, like there's other techniques where you can just stroke up. For example, like here, like I have less, and then I would just stroke up and it would create like false hair, very, very thin for the front, just because I like to have a more like ombre look on my eyebrows. I feel like it's way more natural. The only thing is I have this annoying little pimple that is right there. Never mind that, girl. But and then I like to check after, like I push it down and then I have a lot of areas where I don't have any color. So then I want to correct that. I add it and then I go back with my pencil. And what I like about this brow as well is that I can use a spoolie at the end and like mix it. So like sometimes I would do that. I would apply the product and then I use this spoolie and it just diminishes the product amount that I have there. And then it's very easy to build up the product too. And then voila, that easy, and you get a fuller looking brow compared to the other one. And as you can see, I already have my makeup on and it's super precise. Like it doesn't get flat too much. It doesn't get weird or anything. It just looks fuller, except like the pimple in this area. Just forget about it, okay? I just sometimes, you know, like look, if here you have not enough, like I just feather it in a little bit more. And as you can see, it's the right color for my brow hair. And it looks very, very natural. Let me do the other side real quickly. And there you go. Some days I really have a mood of like more of a pen, a brow pen, or sometimes a pomade, or sometimes only a brow wax. But definitely, I think, do I have it? I don't know. But look, I'm just going to show you the streaks that it does on the hand. It does like very precise strokes. So like if you press a little bit harder, you're going to have a very thicker strokes, a little bit, not that much, but they're going to be darker. And that's what I like about this pen, is that the pen by itself, like the little pen inside of it, is so sturdy that it's not going to go anywhere. So if I compare it to the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, I would say that this one is a little bit flimsy. I don't really have any, yeah, I have a little bit of product left, but look at how easy this is to roll. Like, it just, when I apply it, sometimes it just rolls in my hand. It's really annoying. And this spoolie kind of dirty, and the thing, they just get off so quickly, and I didn't have it for a long time, you know what I mean? So like, they don't close properly. So the thing is, when it doesn't close properly, is that the product is gonna dry. And if you compare it to this one, look at how sturdy it is. Like, I really have to clip it in, and then if I turn it, it doesn't turn. Like, it's hard to see on camera, you know what I mean? But like, there is a resistance on this Brow Wiz Micro Brow Pencil. And the color of that, this is ash brown. So I'm going to show you the difference between both of them. There's not really any difference. So on this side, on the exterior here, it is the NYX one, and then on the other side, it is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia. So also the dupe is a little bit more grainy. Yeah, it's a bit more grainy. It's a bit more smooshy. So I recommend more the Anastasia Brow Wiz, to be honest. But if you want a dupe, the NYX one is amazing too. What do you guys think of my eyebrows? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I actually really like this product. Like, I highly recommend this Brow Wiz. But if you want like a dupe that works well, because I've been trying both of them out, this one is $20-something, and the NYX one is $12, let's say. So it's half the price. So if you want a drugstore version of the Anastasia Brow Wiz, definitely go with the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil and find your shade. It's a very nice one. You just have to be more light-handed, I feel like, with the NYX one. But between both of them, I honestly prefer way more the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Even though I have to pay a little bit more money, I don't mind, because if I like a product, I'm just gonna use it all the time. So that is my review on the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade medium brown, how to use it, and a dupe of it. So I really hope that you liked this review and dupe. I wish that you really liked it. And if you liked it, make sure to like the video and to comment down below if you have this Brow Wiz, if you tried it, or if you want to try it. I really want to know. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related. So thank you so much again for watching. I really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.